Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D logo like this in After Effects without any plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to File and import your logo. Drag and drop. Then I'll press S to increase it a little bit. Also press P to bring this logo up like this. Okay? Yeah. Right click, pre-compose, and I'll name it logo PNG. Hit OK. Yeah. Now I'll make it 3D and I'll go here, press P for position. Go to position, right click and separate dimension. Go to Z position, Alt and click and type index. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go to this logo and Control D to copy. Again, select both and Control D. Again, select all, Control D again. Now if you go to active camera and change it to custom view 1, see. If I take just one, okay, again Control D, Control A, Control D and C. Okay, yeah, again Control E, Control D, then Control E, right click and pre-compose, and I'll name it 3D logo. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go here this icon, this for comp layer and check. Okay, and I'll go to active camera and this is our 3D logo. Okay, yeah, very good. Now I'll go to layer, no solid as a background, or let me name it first particles. Okay, and I'll choose this color. Okay, put it down. Then I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type CC star burst. Okay, now I'll go to grade here, change it to 1. Also speed, I'll change it to 0.1. And scatter, I'll increase it. Okay. Then I'll go to effect, stylize and glow. And now let me add a background. Put it down. Go to effect, generate and gradient ramp. Linear ramp, change it to radial ramp. And I'll put this point into the middle. Okay. Then I'll change these colors. Not bad. Okay, now I'll go to 3D logo, Control D to copy. Let me make it them 3D. Then I'll go to second one and I'll press R and X rotation. I'll change it to 180. Okay. Then I'll go to P position and increase P position like this. Y position. Again. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, now I'll go here, go to Effect, Blur and Sharpen, and I'll choose, okay, Radial Fast Blur. And I'll increase it like this. Maybe 80. Okay, 90, it will be good. 95. Yeah, very good. Now go to first frame. Okay, I'll pre-compose both of them. Okay, and I'll press, let me make it also 3D, and I'll press R, go to, okay, Y rotation, keyframe, last frame, and I'll change this to 1, and go to control, and I'll change shift, change this point to easy ease, and see. Go here to this icon for comp layer, don't forget this one, and check. This is very important, and see. Okay, okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.